G'day guys, today I will be reviewing the game Insider Trading, which is a stock market roguelike deck builder where you need to buy and sell a stock to reach a certain weekly goal. You don't need much understanding of how a stock market works to play this game other than to buy a stock low and to sell it high. The developer Naive describes this game as Insider Trading is a roguelike deck builder about trading stocks. Immerse yourself in a rhythmic flow of charts and break the market with synergizing perks and cards. Start your journey as a stock trader and accumulate as much wealth as possible to beat inflation and survive the brutal market. So I'll quickly kind of go over everything here. So we've got our chart. This is how our stock is going up or down depending on the price of it. This is our price of the stock. This is how many shares we can afford of that from that price. This is our balance. So if we have $1,000, we can afford to buy 10 shares. This will be depending on how much the market value goes up. It will give you a percentage, and then that total percentage or total income will go onto your balance. Our weekly target is to get 1,200. Once you reach over that target, there's nothing to gain to continue to go over it. So it's worth to try and start to reduce the price of the asset, so you can for the next week buy it a lot easier. You have some cue cards at the bottom here, as shown right now. Green means the market will go up or a bull, and red or a bear market is the price will go down. So this one's 3%, this one's 2%, 1%, and as you play, you get extra cards that do different percentages or have different abilities. So we have 3, 4, 5, and 5. So I might try and go for a buy mark, the buy. So I get rid of this bear. I might get rid of this bear as well. Oh, this bear's back. So we will trade and we will see our profits. So we got 4.9% profit or 49 bucks. So not too much. And that's how many days we have to try and reach this total. Each day or each time you finish, you get 1 negative and 1 positive card. So I'm going to take the investor, which is a 5% increase. Otherwise you can get the flock, which is not too bad of a card. And we will grab the chimp, which has a random price between 0 and 10 depending on the day of when you draw it. You also get perks, which I'll show you here. So the strategist, so every time a combo is triggered, you get 12% market value. A 1 in 5 chance for a bull and bear cards to be deleted upon triggering. And all cards gain +1 trigger count. And lose 10 tokens every time the market closes. So I might skip that one. And we'll go with the strategist if we can get a combo going. You also have tokens here, which is used to manipulate this market. So what we have, we've got 4, 5. So we might delete some greens today. So our first move is free, and then after that costs a certain amount of tokens. So it keeps going up. So 4. So when we think we are going to lose money, we can skip the day and this price will drop and we don't actually lose any income. I take the early bird, so if it's in the first one we get 10%, and we'll take hawk as well, because I've seen that card we should have took at the start. We can also buy another perk. I might do that, see what we can get. Every time a Q card is deleted, the market value will go up 9%. If the price rises by 5% or more in a single tick, buy one share even if the balance is insufficient. So that's actually really good. And every time an investor card is triggered, +2 to the market. So it makes the investor +7 kind of thing. Is that 5 or more? Yep, so this would affect it. So with this. So we're going to go for a trading day. We'll actually try and keep this, see what happens. Ooh. So we're going to move this one here into the first slot, so we get a 10% increase. So we'll trade it, get our extra stock there. So we're at negative money now. Grind 2 trigger counts the card to the right. I'm not really sure what that does, but we'll grab it anyway. And we'll grab a chimp. And we will start. Let's try and go for another spy day. And we should be good. So we're getting an extra stock. So we've reached our target and we still have 1 day left. So today we are going to be trying to get all reds this time. So that does nothing, so we can probably keep that there for now. We'll get rid of one more. So drop that a fair bit there. Negative 27, which is good. Start a new day. We start our balance back at 1,000, and we got a new target to get. After each week, you now get a special weekly event. So this one is switch to short sellings. Trades will not profit from price falls, and will be lost from price gains. So short selling is basically doing the opposite to how you would normally have a market. So we're trying to bet that the stock market is going to crash now instead of increase. We've got enough for another. So this one here, last 3 cards trigger another extra time. So we're now trying to go for the red cards. Two, 4, 5. I might. We'll skip. So now we want to increase this. Why did that go down? What? I didn't click that button. I don't even know what's happened there. We'll skip anyway. Only a small gain, so not great. We might actually lose this. And I'm going to go and click that card we just bought and add a trigger count to it so it increases its value. So this will delete that bird. Hopefully this is enough. So finally a decent day. And we got 2 more. So we're gonna keep it like this. So we've done it. We've reached our goal. So now we're going to try and let's get better cards. Let's do the monkey one. Alright, start a new day. We want to try and get as many greens as possible. increased it a little bit. Still quite low for my liking. Alright, now we've got a new weekly event. So you must select extra options in card select. So we get more cards, I assume. So we choose 2 now and 2 negatives. And we go back to trying to increase this. So we're back to on the green side again. So we will get rid of It's quite annoying that we just got that, but that's alright. Yes, this is what I was wanting, the whale for our investor cards. So we might go for a negative day, just solely because this whale is going to eat these 2 investors. That's going to do nothing. And we'll skip, get an extra 10. If adjacent to an investor or a bird, you get 7% instead. Would want to get rid of this bird though. We've got 5. Not being too nice, is it? There we go. Might just do that, so that does nothing. And we will trade. Save it for the end. Actually, yeah. 4, 5, 3. -5. We will take that one. We'll move this with this one. So hopefully that triggers more than once now. Oh, it's looking good. Alright. Hopefully these tick and then the whale eats it. Got 40 shares there. Almost. Another investor. So it's Friday, we have to play this. So we reached our goal, thankfully. And now we have the first 5 cards in the queue will have no effect. So all of our birds are very bad now. We might just... So a small gain, that's alright. We'll already got a whale, so we won't take another whale, but we'll re-roll. Let's get another investor. Let's move things around. This only had 1 tick left, so that's why I didn't move it there. Big one. So we probably need to get our stock lowered now. That's a huge increase. Let's see if we can get another investor. We'll get that one. That sounds pretty decent. Do we have any investors? No, none. So we can leave that there. remove the dove. Perfect. Let's skip this round then. So we fairly dropped that price, which is good. Now we've got 2 days to try and make $2,000. These birds are now useless to us. Got 40 shares, so hopefully we get a fair bit here. So I need 1,000 more. We'll try and remove, see if we get something. No, we didn't. I believe this is the last round, so I'm going to... No, we'll trade. So we made our target. Day 20 complete. Demo completed. So that was the insider trading demo. So if you would like to try it out yourself, it is on Steam. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video.